Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now, if you read Instagram captions, you might find something like turn on post notification. The problem is, you have no clue how to do it. Today I'm gonna show you how. First step is open Instagram. I'm going to choose one story and go to their homepage so you can click that button where when post notifications is exist where they placed by Instagram, of course, not by me. Okay, fine, now we are arrived. First, what you have to do is click that following button right here. So if there is a following button, you should follow the page first. That means if you don't follow it, you can turn on post notification. Now click notifications and turn on all of them, or maybe just which one you want or which you think is important, or anything you want to turn on, maybe just post or just stories or just IGTVs, anything. Okay, now it's done. So from now on, you're gonna get notification according to what you turn on. Like if you turn on post, you can get post like this. 6 a.m. drive has a new post or something like that, you understand? And so and that's the same for if you turn on the stories. This pack has made new stories like that. It's just how that is. Thank you and see you later.